Okay, so for this part of the demo, what we're going to be doing first is we've got a glass of water right here, and then we're going to take a light and we're just going to shine it through the clear glass of water. Remember, I want you to pay attention to observations in terms of the light behavior. What's happening to the light? What are you seeing? Is it being absorbed? Is it bouncing all over the place? Is it just staying right there? Is it just going straight through, normal transmission? What's happening? So please be descriptive with what you're seeing in regards to the light's behavior. So let's go ahead and turn on our light. And there we go. We got a little blue light right here. So kind of be looking around, seeing if there's anything happening. Maybe check the background too. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I've got this piece of paper that you see right here. It's got two arrows on it, both pointing to the left. What I'm going to do is take that same piece of paper. I'm going to lower it behind our same glass of water we used earlier. And I just want you to pay attention to what happens to that bottom arrow once it gets below the water line. So there you have, I have one arrow below the water line, and then I've got another arrow still pointing in the same direction. If I pull it back up, okay, go ahead and write your observations. For this demo, I'm just going to take a regular metal straw. I'm going to use that same cup of water, and I'm just going to slowly drop the straw into our glass of water. And I want you to pay attention to kind of what's happening to the straw. How does it appear in that glass of water? Does it still look the same? Do we see anything kind of off center with it? So for this part of the demo, we have now water on the bottom that you see here. And then this top layer, I've got just some regular vegetable oil. So I'm going to drop the straw in there, and I want you to tell me about what you observe in terms of what the straw looks like. And there you go. Notice anything unusual about how our straw looks at the top versus the bottom? Write down your observations now. Okay, so for this last final part of the demonstration, we're going to use that same light that we used earlier on just the clear glass of water. Now we're going to shine it through the water and the oil layer because I want you to see if there's any differences. So we'll turn our light on. All right, and there it is, like we saw on the water layer, right? There it is. You can see the light shining on the background over there on my kitchen wall. And then if I move to the oil, interesting. And if I try to looking at that back wall, interesting. Wonder why that is. All right, go ahead and write your observations.